Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to decorate 4 different cake pops for Halloween. If you want to see my video on how to make cake pops, check out that video in the description below. For a list of what you will need, please check the description down below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Mummy cake pops. Melt a small amount of white chocolate and spoon it into a plastic sandwich bag. Cut just a small piece off the corner of the plastic bag to create an opening so you can drizzle the chocolate over the cake pops. Set the white chocolate-covered cake pop down or lay it vertically on a cookie sheet lined with wax paper. Drizzle the white chocolate over the cake pops, covering all sides. Quickly add the candy eyeballs onto the melted chocolate before it hardens. Spiderweb cake pops. Just like how the mummy cake pop was decorated, you will drizzle white chocolate over a chocolate-covered cake pop. Once the chocolate drizzle hardens, add a spider ring. Jack-o'-lantern cake pops. On an orange-colored cake pop, use a toothpick or a small-tipped paintbrush and use black cookie icing, royal icing, or a food marker to paint on a face. I'm using cookie icing here. Skeleton cake pops. Just like how the jack-o'-lantern cake pop was decorated, you will paint the face on a white-colored cake pop using black cookie icing, royal icing, or a food marker. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and select the bell to get any notifications on future content. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy your Halloween decorated cake pops.